Hello, my friends, my family, and my fans. I'm Andrew Ditch. I've been diagnosed with autism and intellectual disability. Quick comparison of the three sources. TD Snap MyStuff Portal, MyDabiAdinavox.com. TD Snap Training, Snap Training and Support, Indie and I11 Neuro Training and Support, Webinar Trainings, TD Snap User's Manual, MyDabiAdinavox.com. TD Snap on multiple devices, Indie, I110, Indie 7, Speech Case, SC Tablet, MyDabiAdinavox.com. Central Hub tied to your account, pagesets, backups, usage reports, and device-specific manuals, MyDabiAdinavox.com. TobyI Dynavox Resource Center, TobyIDynavox.com. Resources by topic and product, Core First Communication Books, Core First Learning, Motor Plan Materials, On-Demand Learning, and Live Event Calendar, TobyIDynavox.com. Higher Level Pedagogy, Literacy, Motor Planning, Communication Books, and Structured Learning Sequences, TobyIDynavox.com. Pathways for Core First Apps.apple.com, MyDabiAdinavox.com. In-app video resources and guided pathways for Core First. iPad and Windows versions linked from MyStuff, MyDabiAdinavox.com apps.apple.com. App-based coaching for partners and users. Modeling strategies and stepwise implementation of Core First, MyDabiAdinavox.com apps.apple.com. Webinar, downloadable, and app-based guide comparison. Webinar offerings advanced. MyStuff/TD Snap Portal includes webinar trainings plus Snap training and support, Indie training and support, and I11 Neuro training and support, which can be used beyond basic for advanced device configuration, access methods, and workflow optimization, MyDabiAdinavox.com. Resource Center uses a live event calendar and on-demand learning to deliver deeper AAC topics, e.g., literacy, motor planning, communication partner skills, across devices and software, TobyIDynavox.com. Pathways for Core First. While the App Store listing is brief, MyStuff explicitly links pathways for Core First video resources, suggesting embedded or companion video training focused on Core First implementation and modeling, MyDabiAdinavox.com apps.apple.com. Downloadable resources advanced, MyStuff, direct links to TD Snap User's Manual and Device Manuals. Indie, I110, Indie 7, Speech Case, SC Tablet, plus Getting Started, TD Snap Resources, and Core First Learning. Books and lessons for structured practice, MyDabiAdinavox.com. These manuals and books are ideal for advanced customization, access settings, and troubleshooting. Resource Center organizes Core First communication books, Core First Learning, Motor Plan communication boards, books, posters, and resources by product, TobyIDynavox.com. These can be layered in as higher-level language, literacy, and motor planning tasks. Pathways functions more as an interactive guide than a PDF library, but complements the above downloads by telling partners how to use them in real context, MyDabiAdinavox.com apps.apple.com. App-based guides, pathways for Core First. The Core app-based coaching environment. Video, stepwise guidance, and partner strategies on iPad and Windows via separate app. MyDabiAdinavox.com apps, apple.com, TD Snap/MyStuff. Not an app itself, but integrates page sets, backups, devices, and usage reports, which can be used as data-driven guides for what to train next, MyDabiAdinavox.com. Resource Center, web-based, but its resources by product structure effectively acts as a guide for each app/device, TobyIDynavox.com. Device model compatibility highlights. TD Snap MyStuff Portal explicit support for Indie, I110, Indie 7, Speech Case, SC Tablet, plus TD Snap software itself, MyDabiAdinavox.com. Backups, page sets, and usage reports are tied to your MyTobyIDynavox account, allowing cross-device management and backup/restore workflows, MyDabiAdinavox.com. Pathways for Core First listed as an iPad app, education category, 215.5 megabytes, ages 4+, apps.apple.com. MyStuff separately lists pathways for Core First, iPad, and pathways for Core First, Win, indicating platform-specific versions, MyDabiAdinavox.com. Resource Center covers devices, apps and software, accessories broadly, TobyIDynavox.com. Resources are organized by product, e.g., Core First, Motor Plan, Devices, so you can filter by the specific device or app and use tobyidynavox.com. 12-week Advanced AAC Training Roadmap, building on an initial 6-week foundation. Below is a compact but detailed 12-week plan. I'll assume the first 6 weeks covered: basic navigation, core vocabulary, simple requesting/commenting, basic partner modeling, and simple backup creation. Weeks 7 to 12 add advanced customization, collaboration, and integration into school/work. Week 1 to 2, solidify foundations and introduce data-driven refinement. Focus, confirm basic skills, introduce usage reports, and structured observation. Key activities: MyStuff, review usage reports for TD Snap to identify most/least used words and pages mytobeidynavox.com. Resource Center, pull a Core First Communication book or Core First Communication board that mirrors the user's main page set for low-tech backup and partner modeling tobyidynavox.com. Pathways, use early modules or getting started style videos to reinforce partner modeling and prompting hierarchies mytobeidynavox.com apps.apple.com. Skill checkpoints, user can independently navigate between home, core, and at least 2 topic pages. Uses at least 10 to 20 core words across different activities. Partners, model at least 10 times per activity without demanding imitation. Can describe the user's current page set and where keywords live. Week 3 to 4, advanced customization and motor planning. Focus, refine layout, access, and motor patterns. Introduce motor plan resources. Key activities: MyStuff, adjust button size, spacing, and access method, e.g., touch versus keyguard versus switch. Using device manuals. Indie On10, Speech Case, SC Tablet, and TD Snap Users Manual mytobeidynavox.com. Create a new backup after any major layout change mytobeidynavox.com. Resource Center, integrate motor plan communication boards, books, posters to support consistent motor patterns for high-frequency words tobyidynavox.com. Pathways, follow advanced modules on expanding beyond requesting, commenting, protesting, asking for help, and building motor memory for core words mytobeidynavox.com apps.apple.com. Skill checkpoints, user demonstrates stable motor patterns for at least 15 to 20 core words, same location each time. Can access the device reliably with chosen access method for at least 10 minutes without fatigue. Partners can explain why a word is placed where it is, motor plan versus category. Can adjust or add a button while preserving motor patterns. Week 5 to 6, context-rich vocabulary and early school/work routines. Focus, build context-specific pages and routines for school or workplace. Key activities: MyStuff, create or customize page sets for classroom, meeting, break room, or job tasks. Then download and store them in MyStuff for backup mytobeidynavox.com. Resource Center, use Core First Learning, books and lessons to embed literacy and topic-based vocabulary into daily routines mytobeidynavox.com, tobyidynavox.com. Pathways, use modules that show how to generalize core words across settings, e.g., gulp, more finished in school/work tasks, mytobeidynavox.com apps.apple.com. Skill checkpoints, user uses AAC in at least 2 non-home settings, e.g., classroom plus cafeteria or office plus break room. Can participate in at least 1 routine, e.g., morning meeting, check-in, or shift start, using AAC. Partners, teachers/employers know how to turn the device on, unlock it, open the correct page set, and model 3 to 5 key phrases relevant to their setting. Week 7 to 8, caregiver and team collaboration techniques. Focus, build a shared plan across home, school, and work. Formalize expectations. Key activities: MyStuff, share page sets and backups with team members via mytobeidynavox, so everyone uses the same layout mytobeidynavox.com. Use usage reports to show the team which words are actually being used and where more modeling is needed mytobeidynavox.com. Resource Center, Pull on-demand learning or topic-specific resources about communication partner strategies and getting started with AAC for new staff, tobyidynavox.com. Pathways. Assign specific pathways videos to caregivers/teachers as homework, e.g., modeling, responding to AAC, honoring all communication attempts, mytobyidynavox.com apps.apple.com. Skill checkpoints. User has at least 3 to 5 consistent phrases used across environments, e.g., greetings, asking for help, break requests. Team, written mini plan, who models when, what vocabulary is prioritized, and how to respond to device use. At least 2 partners can restore a backup to a device if needed. Practiced once on a non-critical device or test profile. Week 9 to 10. High-demand communication and self-advocacy. Focus. Build scripts and flexible language for self-advocacy, problem-solving, and complex participation. KEY activities. MyStuff. Create dedicated self-advocacy and problem-solving pages, e.g., I need a break, this is too loud, I don't understand, I disagree, I need help with. Back up these pages and share them with all relevant devices and partners. mytobyidynavox.com. Resource Center. Use core first and motor plan materials to ensure self-advocacy words are easy to access and consistent across low-tech and high-tech supports. tobyidynavox.com. Pathways. Follow modules that emphasize expanding beyond requesting and supporting autonomy, including partner responses that respect the AAC user's choices. mytobyidynavox.com apps.apple.com. Skill checkpoints. User can independently express at least one self-advocacy message per day, with or without prompting. Can repair a communication breakdown using No, that's not what I meant. Let me try again. Partners respond to self-advocacy messages by adjusting environment or task, not just acknowledging. Week 11 to 12. Integration, generalization, and long-term maintenance. Focus. Make AAC use sustainable, backed up, and embedded in long-term routines. Key activities. MyStuff. Establish a backup schedule, e.g., weekly or after major changes, and document the process step by step. mytobyidynavox.com. Use usage reports to set new goals, e.g., increase use of fringe vocabulary for hobbies or more complex sentence structures. mytobyidynavox.com. Resource Center. Explore additional topics, e.g., literacy, advanced motor planning, or new devices to plan the next phase of growth. tobyidynavox.com. Pathways. Revisit key modules as refreshers and identify any advanced sections not yet used, e.g., complex conversations, storytelling, or project-based communication. mytobyidynavox.com apps.apple.com. Skill checkpoints. User uses AAC across all key environments, home, school, work, community, at least once per setting per day. Has at least one preferred way to tell someone when the device is not working or needs support. Team. At least one person in each environment can restore a backup. Add a new word or phrase. Locate and use the self-advocacy page. Daily communication practice modules. Reusable structure. You can treat these as slots and rotate content while keeping the structure stable. Warm up 5 to 10 minutes. Goal. Rehearse core words and navigation. Activity. Use a core first communication board or the main TD Snap core page to say greetings, how are you, in 3 to 5 core words, e.g., want go more, stop, help, tobyidynavox.com. Partner models each word in a short phrase. Context routine, 10 to 15 minutes. Goal. Practice AAC in a real routine. Meal, class warm-up, work task. Activity. Use customized page sets, e.g., classroom, job tasks. For MyStuff, mytobyidynavox.com. Partner prompts. Tell me what we do next. How do you feel about this? And models responses. Self-advocacy/regulation, 5 to 10 minutes. Goal. Practice expressing needs, preferences, and boundaries. Activity. Use the self-advocacy page to role-play scenarios. Too loud, too hard, need a break, want a different task. Partner honors the message and changes something in the environment. Story or reflection, 10 minutes. Goal. Build narrative and reflection skills. Activity. Use core first learning, books and lessons, or a simple story and retell parts using AAC, mytobeidynavox.com, tobeidynavox.com. For work, recap the day. What did you do? What went well? What was hard? Wrap up and log. 5 minutes. Goal. Document use and plan next steps. Activity. Partner notes which words/pages were used and any breakdowns. Optionally, compare with usage reports weekly to see if practice is reflected in real world. Use mytobeidynavox.com. Backup/restore and documentation integration ideas. Routine backup integration. mytobeidynavox.com weekly task. Create a fresh backup of the current TD Snap page set in MyStuff. Name backups with date plus key change, e.g. pages_added. Documentation. Keep a simple log, spreadsheet, or one-page form. Listing, backup name, date, what changed, who did it. Cross-device and cross-environment consistency. mytobeidynavox.com, tobeidynavox.com. Use MyStuff to download the same page set to multiple devices, e.g. home device, school device, work device, so the user's motor plan and vocabulary stay consistent. Document which device is primary, which are backups, and who is responsible for updating each. Training via restore drills. mytobeidynavox.com. Once per month, run a restore drill on a non-critical device or test profile. Partner follows a written checklist to restore a backup for MyStuff. Note any steps that were confusing and update the checklist. Linking to Resource Center and Pathways. mytobeidynavox.com, tobeidynavox.com. apps.apple.com. Your documentation. Include direct links or QR codes to relevant Resource Center pages for the device/app in use. The pathways for core first app, listing, and any key in-app modules you want partners to watch. Assign these as part of onboarding for new staff or caregivers. If you're interested in disability topics, such as treatment, support, accommodations, and rights, like this video and subscribe for more inclusive content. I will talk to you on my next video.